If you do these 3 simple things today, I guarantee you will be completely ruined within 12 months. Not just financially, but mentally, socially, and biologically. The internet is flooded with gurus telling you how to succeed, become a millionaire, or hack your brain. But the truth is, our minds are hardwired for one thing: avoiding danger. That is why today, we are going to do the exact opposite. I analyzed the trajectories of 50 people who literally destroyed their lives. Successful entrepreneurs struck down by burnout, millionaires suddenly facing bankruptcy, and brilliant minds paralyzed by depression. This is their method. Here is the step-by-step guide to failing your life with absolute certainty. Rule number 1. Worship the clarity of tomorrow. Ignore the chaos of today. The 50 people I studied all shared one magical trait: strategic procrastination. They never said, "I am not going to do it." They said, "I will do it tomorrow, when I am more awake, better prepared, or more inspired." It is a masterpiece of human psychology. By putting things off until tomorrow, your brain immediately gets a hit of dopamine without having done a single bit of work. You feel good instantly. The perfect trap. Rule number 2. Say yes to everyone except yourself. Working 80 hours a week just to validate how others see you is the fastest way to destroy your cognitive abilities. If you want to obliterate your mental clarity, have no boundaries. Accept every single project, every notification, every distraction. Become a slave to other people's emergencies. Rule number 3. Pivot the moment friction appears. As soon as a project gets difficult, ditch it. Convince yourself it is not the right niche, that the market is saturated, or that you just need a new tool. Jump to the next shiny object. It is the absolute guarantee to stay stuck at 0 forever. Take a close look at your last 48 hours. How many of these 3 rules are you already practicing unconsciously? The truth is, ruining your life requires no effort, no courage, and no plan. It is a simple, slippery slope where you just have to coast on immediate comfort. It is the default choice for 95% of the population. Now that you know the exact map that leads to the abyss, you have 2 options. Keep blindly following the guide, or decide right this second to do the exact opposite. The choice is yours.